Waxceutical Soft and Bright Film Wax. Here's what you will need for the treatment: Dermobalance lotion, single insert, soft and bright cream film wax, clarifying serum and clarifying lotion. Empty the beads into the single insert and place the insert into the warmer. Set the thermostat at 10 and replace the lid and wait 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, move the wax to ensure it's all melted, reduce the temperature to 5 and wait a further 5 minutes before beginning. This is how your wax should look when it's ready to use. Sanitize both yours and the client's hands and put on your gloves. Apply Dermobalance to a cotton pad and cleanse the area. Tap until it's completely absorbed. Apply clarifying serum on a cotton pad and apply it over the area. Massage and tap until it's fully absorbed. Apply the wax, waiting 5 to 10 seconds to allow for the masking effect, and then remove the wax, holding the skin firmly. Reapply the serum to increase the absorption while the pores are still open. Finalise by applying clarifying lotion. Repeat the entire process on the other side.